Hi, I'm Bridget from Crosby's, and today I have a quick, easy, and comforting treat for you. When you need a little time for you during the holiday rush, this is just the thing. It's a simple recipe for warm milk with gingerbread spices, and it's a delicious alternative to eggnog if you find eggnog too rich. When I'm in the mood for coffee, I turn this into a gingerbread latte. Either way, it's your chance to slow down. Start by warming a cup of milk over medium heat. When it just comes to a simmer, remove it from the heat. Pour into your favorite cup. Stir in a pinch of gingerbread spices and a tablespoon of molasses. For a gingerbread latte, you can replace half of the milk with good strong coffee. I really hope you enjoy this recipe. It's the perfect warm, festive, and comforting drink we could all use this time of year. For more delicious molasses recipes, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit crosbys.com.